That.
I'm videoing you. Go on. Tell everyone what you're doing.
So first, good save.
Good save, Grandma. Go on. Tell everyone what you're doing.
I'm doing a pancake today.
Making pancakes. Put some more in.
Okay, yeah, do put some more. Yeah. Get that some good. Hey,
Right.
look.
Smile. Tell everyone what you're doing.
So first, guys.
What did you do first?
First,
Mixer.
we put the flour in, then we got some water. We put the eggs in the water, and then we're mixing it, and then we're doing the fluffy. Then all the lumpy bits out now.
Right, all the lumpy bits.
Then
Let's have
we
a look
have
at
to-
your batter.
And then,
Oh, yeah. Put the rest of that in.
and then we have to put it on the oven, and then we have to eat it. And then and then I watch a film, and then I go to bed, and then it's morning. Then I go to school.
Oh, and do you like going to school?
Yeah.
Do you love it? What's your favourite part?
Playing football with all my mates.
And tell everybody what they said to you at school today. Look at the camera and tell them.
Nobody said.
Is that the football team?
Oh yeah, yeah. I think everybody's gonna know that. What?